Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela from gelainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how we can make heart from lemon zest and attach it to glass without any peak. First, we need to remove pit from orange skin as much as possible. And now I'm going to cut out shape similar to carrot. I also can call this shape diamond. Visit my website and you can find more easy, fun and cute garnish ideas. Next step, I'm going to make cut inside my shape. My heart is almost ready. I'm going to right now to bend top of my shape and attach to glass. Thank you for watching my video and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.